morning vlog. Me and Melody are going ATVing today. The time is like 7:40 a.m. I'm bloody exhausted. We're from Canada. Okay. Oh my god. Yes. Okay.
Then after that, we want
I cannot believe I'm in a literal waterfall in Bali. What is going on? I feel like I'm one with nature in a waterfall. Epic. Okay.
The wood we have two types of coffee. This Arabica and Robusta. But in the palm only we grow Arabica coffee. This more white. This more bigger the bean. It's very long, but the green is the still young, and the ripe one is the ready we harvest.
This is coffee bean?
Yes, this is
my god.
Bean.
Crazy.
This is not the yellow.
Okay.
We wash.
So this is turmeric.
Yeah, this is the turmeric. And
Okay.
we call jamu. Root, and we roasting together with coffee. But it's good for the energy and good. And the ginger. And this for use for the tea because in Bali does not have the tea like yeah.
combine like this is pretty good for.
Her name is brownie. Yes.
Okay, vlog, we're at a coffee tasting place here in the literal jungle of Bali. There's a bunch of different coffees like normal coffee, coconut, vanilla, ginseng. So let's give them a try. This turmeric is tea or coffee?
It is the tea.
Oh, okay, okay. This is delicious.
Yeah, this is the sweet sour taste. The spice tea is good for the inflammation, good for the antitoxic, and good for the hormone. Also, this for the hair. Be careful, you use the ginger.
Careful, is it really spicy? Ginger?
Yes.
Love the burn. Love it.
Because the ginger we use from the red ginger is more strong and very spicy.
Try it.
But it's good for the stomach.
Yes. Cleansing the body. Rosalia?
Rosalia is flower. It's
Okay.
used by mom.
Rosalia.
The singer. Avocado.
It is good for the high blood pressure.
High blood pressure. There have been so many bugs in our hotel. Our blood pressure has been high these days. Worms, frogs. Do you like black coffee? I like an iced Americano normally. Like black iced Americano.
What was I?
Ooh, strong. It's hot chocolate with no sugar, no milk. Real chocolate.
Oh, I like
It's the
that.
rich job.
That helps with strep throat. It reduces inflammation. I would know. So, Melody, turmeric, you cannot get all the benefits unless it's mixed with black pepper. Because black pepper is the activator for turmeric. So everything she said, like, it does not do anything. Your body cannot absorb the nutrient unless it's mixed with black pepper. Pepper. I'm just gonna like fake that I'm talking to the couch. One sec, okay. Just these two, please. Of course it's on camera. I know. Is that a chicken or a rooster? Chicken? Rooster? Yeah.
What? This is where my friend hosted from Nico.
Oh, Camila?
Yeah.
Okay. Of yours. Okay, vlog, now we're going to go ATVing and I am trembling. It looks so intense. Ugh, I wish I could bring my vlog, but I cannot vlog because I gotta be in pure mud and dirt. 2 hands on the wheel. I'll see if someone can try to film me or something, but pray. Just gonna put on a little poncho. Ew. It's pouring rain. OOTD. Raincoats, poncho.
Looking cute.
Bali, what is going on? Freezing.
Freezing in Bali?
I know.
Oh,
Oh my god, so cute.
Yeah. You look so cute.
Oh, thank you. Aw.
cute.
The ponchos just make us look so bad. Oh, I love this one.
Always serving.
Oh, cute. Wait, hate my face in that one.
Oh, what you say?
I don't know what I'm saying here. Oh my god, I love this.
Dehydrated. It's been a day.
Exhaustion, starving.
Yes, yes.
Okay, vlog, we just finished our like dirt biking ATV experience. It was so fun, but it was so intense. My hands are like so red. The course was so intense. Melody flew off her scooter. Show them your elbow. Oh my god. Her car flipped.
Oh my god.
Anyways, now we're at lunch and we ordered some like Indonesian noodles and yeah. This trip to Bali has been the opposite of relaxing and calming. We have a 2.5 hour drive back to Canggu, which is where we're staying. The second we get back, I have to take a nap. Okay guys, the evening is here. I'm gonna make a Thai tea 1942 martini. I love Thai milk tea so much. So I thought, why not make a martini out of it? I'm also going to film a TikTok or Instagram reel, so I'm going to do both. I've also heard you cannot drink the ice in Bali, so I got a fresh bag of ice. Let's add some into the shaker. A few shots of the 1942. Here you go, a bit more. Now the Thai tea. How do people do it like? My hands are like freezing. Let's try the 1942 Thai tea martini. Moment of truth. Cheers to Bali.
Cheers. Pure tequila.
It's not bad at all. It's divine.
Really good.
Vlog, I ordered a pizza an hour and a half ago. Look at all this drama. Hello, turns out there's no pizza there. You have to order from another store. But the restaurant messaged me saying, hi, it's ready, where's the driver? I said the order's ready, either cancel the ride or pick up the pizza. He says, I've been waiting there, but they said there's no pizza. You have to order a new one, I waited for a long time. I'm like, sir, the restaurant's texting me saying the pizza is ready, there's no driver there. He canceled the order. The restaurant messaged me saying, hey, hope you get it soon, blah, blah, blah. The pizza is staying warm, yada, yada, yada. So, a new driver, hello, wait, yeah. They still prepare your stuff, we'll go there ASAP when your order done. Don't forget, 5-star boss. And I'm like, the order's ready. They messaged saying they're waiting for you. The man sent me a photo with no pizza ready. Is the restaurant a scam artist? What is going on? Juice me up, Kangu, honey? Already pick up. The restaurant canceled my chat bot with me.
So you can't drag?
I can't drag. So, the ordering food drama. We ordered from a ghost kitchen that ordered from Roman Pizza. Someone in their home ordered from Roman Pizza and then delivered it from their home. We paid 3 times the price for this pizza. We could have ordered it from Roman Pizza. This is crazy. It took an hour and a half to get here. We could have ordered it from Roman Pizza for literally 1/3 of the price. An hour and a half. That poor delivery driver, I want to mess with the goddamn kitchen. But they closed the chat. Well, the pizza's here, so might as well enjoy it. Soft ice cream. Epic record melody. The melody in this song, epic. It's just not breaking.
According to the plants.
This one too is just not breaking.
Well, you didn't even try to break it.
Melody, are you hearing me banging it 10 times? Walk, Melody, look. Sorry, queen. Of course, with 1 hour until checkout, it's pure sun. Hi. Can I please have a grande iced matcha made espresso? Thank you so much. So sweet. We're at a restaurant now near our hotel. It's like an Indonesian restaurant. Our last full day here in Bali, so I wanted to have some like good authentic food. Okay vlog, that's about it for my Bali, Indonesia vlog. This was such a crazy, hilarious, and like not resting or relaxing trip at all, but it was so fun. If you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, more travel vlogs, Korea vlogs, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!